Welcome to Algebra Foundations. Today, we are going to master one of the most important tools in solving equations, the addition property of equality. It sounds fancy, but it is actually a very simple concept about maintaining balance. First, let's talk about what the equal sign really means. Often, we think it just means the answer follows, but in algebra, it means something much more specific. It means the value on the left side is exactly the same as the value on the right side. Just like a balanced scale, both sides carry the same weight. This leads us to the golden rule of algebra. To keep our equation true, we must maintain that balance. The rule is simple. Whatever operation you perform on one side of the equation, you must perform the exact same operation on the other side. If you add weight to the left, you have to add the same weight to the right, or else it tips over. Here is the formal definition. If A equals B, then A plus C equals B plus C in plain English. This means if two things are equal and you add the same number to both of them, they will still be equal. This is the addition property of equality. So, why do we use this? Our main goal in algebra is to solve for the variable. Like x, we want to unlock it or isolate it so it is all by itself on one side of the equal sign. If a number is being subtracted from x, we can use addition to get rid of it. Let's look at an example. We have the equation x minus 3 equals 7. We want x by itself. Currently, 3 is being subtracted from it. To undo minus 3, we add 3, but remember the golden rule? If we add 3 to the left side, we must add 3 to the right side. 7 plus 3 is 10, so x equals 10. Why did adding 3 work? It's because of zero pairs. Negative 3 and positive 3 are opposites. When you combine them, they cancel each other out and become 0. This leaves the x completely alone, which is exactly what we wanted. Let's try one more. Y minus 12 equals 4. Our goal is to isolate why we see a minus 12, so we do the opposite. We add 12 to the left side, and we add 12 to the right side to keep it balanced. Minus 12 and plus 12 cancel out. 4 plus 12 is 16, so y equals 16. Here is the most common mistake beginners make. They see the minus 5 and want to add 5, which is correct, but they only add it to the side with the variable. They forget the other side. Remember, if you add 5 to the left, you absolutely must add 5 to the right. Always keep it fair. To wrap up, remember these key points. Your goal is to isolate the variable. If you see subtraction, use addition to undo it. And most importantly, always keep the equation balanced by doing the same thing to both sides. Practice this, and you will be solving equations in no time.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.